You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French philosopher. For reference, in French it's said as René Descartes. René Descartes, so all the S's are silent there. The last E can be pronounced or not, depending on the accent, René Descartes or René Descartes. But in English overall, it's easy, René Descartes, René Descartes. Easy. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.